Okay, today we're looking at Lesson 1.02, Societal Issues and Cultural Experiences. You can access this by going to the content here at the top. And as you scroll down, you'll notice the table of contents on the left-hand side. You can find Unit 1 with all of the lessons and the different practices and assignments within each lesson. I want to point out a few really important things that I want you to access when you're looking at lessons. Okay, you can break it down here. You'll notice you'll find a lot of these 60-second English videos. They're also called English cast videos. These are extremely well done. Please spend the time to watch them. Most of them are only a minute, max 3 minutes, and they give you such valuable, efficient, effective, critical information in just a moment. They're animated, they're easy to follow, definitely worth your time. Okay. I also want to spend a few moments just looking at the important concepts from this particular lesson. Going in here to this activity about making inferences. We'll go to the on-level activity. And then we have some information about inferences. So making inferences, an inference is a guess or conclusion about what a text means on textual evidence and clues. Based on textual evidence and clues. Readers make inferences when they are analyzing or examining text to better understand central ideas or themes that are not directly stated. Then you have some practice available to you. And it walks you through it. And again, at the end, remember, it's important to make logical inferences. Inferences are not based on random feelings you have about an author, about what an author might be saying. They are based on textual evidence that leads you to a logical assumption about the text. In the example, it would not be logical to infer that the young man was happy or calm. The text details and your own knowledge would not support that conclusion. So think about it. It's a good idea to test your inferences. You can do that by asking yourself, what details in the text led me here? You may even want to go back into the text and note those details by underlining or highlighting them. All right, so backing out here, I want to point out two more important concepts. Talking about the cultural impact of literature. Going to the on-level activity. And this case, it has some practice there. We're just going to scroll down to the bottom, the little self-quizzes. How does culture affect fiction? Culture shapes an author's perspective. Knowing something about the cultural forces that affected the author can help you develop a deeper understanding of the literary work. And one more. Talking about central ideas and societal issues. That's something we'll touch on throughout the entire course. Again, it has some practice for you. We're going to scroll to the bottom. So remember, the central idea is the main idea in an informational text. A theme is the message that an author wants to communicate in a narrative text. Think about it. If you wanted to write about a societal issue, why might you choose to write an informational text? Why might you choose to write a piece of fiction to address the issue? Get it? Why do authors of all types of texts often address societal issues in their work? Authors want to call attention to the issues, and in many cases, they hope to affect change. All right, that takes us through some of the most important points. Be sure to watch those videos as we pointed out. They are fantastic, really well done, and will give you valuable information within minutes. Thank you so much, and have a great day.